Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set Monday as the first day of the week in the Habitica application, or if you like any other day of the week, that's totally up to you. So let us guide you through it and show you how you can do that. Launch the Habitica productivity application on your phone, like your Android for example, and here inside or on your home screen tap into these three lines in the top left corner. After that, access your account settings by tapping into that gear icon here in the top. And after that, here inside your account settings, scroll all the way down till you get to this section here, day start adjustment, as well as first day of the week. So as you can see on default, the first day of the week is Sunday in the Habitica application. So if you'd like to switch to Monday, tap into it and choose Monday from that list. For example, guys, if you'd like to work on various to-do lists, checklists, schedule various tasks and habits, and start these tasks on a weekly basis, for example, on each and every Monday. So in this case here, the first day of the week would be Monday. So simply switch to your preferred day of the week, and that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.